Hold on.
Alright, this is Theo getting sprayed, pepper spray for $100.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Professionals don't try this at home.
Alright. I'm nervous.
Dude, I was ready.
Can't move. Alright. Here goes nothing.
No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo,
He goes through. I kind of feel bad for him. You're right.
oh my god, dude. Where's the sink?
Keep going.
Oh my god.
Straight ahead. Right there. Right there. Does it hurt?
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh.
How bad?
Bad, dude.
$100 worth bad?
Oh.
Still burns?
Oh my god, dude.
Don't itch it, whatever you do.
Oh. Oh.
Folks, it's probably the dumbest thing I think I've ever seen. Still burns, same?
Oh my god, dude.
Yo, why don't you just plug the sink and just fucking dunk your head in?
Oh.
Here.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Yo, grab the ice out of here.
Oh.
It hurts really bad.
Oh. No idea, dude. No idea.
Do you want ice in there or no?
Yeah. Oh. 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 Smells potent.
Stings nostrils.
You can smell it?
Oh. Yeah. But I can't feel fast enough right now. I got cold boots.
I kind of feel bad. To help?
Oh my god, yeah.
Good. You can
This is
open your
unbelievable.
You can open your eyes.
No one's gonna believe we did this.
What we got on tape? Feeling better?
Yeah.
Good. I started feeling bad.
Holy fuck, dude. My whole face is burning.
It's only been 4 minutes.
How does this last for?
I don't know.
Oh.
Yo man, it's Vince. We just sprayed Steve-O with pepper spray for $100. And it's fucking hilarious.
I feel bad.
Big call back. That's gonna be a nice message to receive.
Oh my god, dude, what
Oh, you want a towel, dude?
Oh.
Wow, his whole face is red.
Here, dude. Here's a towel if you need one.
Oh.
Is it starting to feel a little better?
I really do it.
Like a bad suntan?
Oh my god. Oh.
Suppose you don't watch a movie now, do you?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, dude. Whew.
I never want to get sprayed.
Dude, holy fuck, man. Whew.
On the upside, they say that you can build up a tolerance to pepper spray, so if you ever do it again, it won't hurt as much.
Alright folks, we're gonna take a break. We'll be right back.